Temp is 59.
The holy
Fahrenheit.
water?
Yeah, well, it's fucking
Right.
devil of a car.
Devil of a car.
You're rolling, Tony.
Alright. Get yourself on the grid, lads.
Apologies, Dan.
No, you're going forward.
Oh, shit.
I know. Apologies at the start.
There's nowhere to go,
Tommy's,
really.
Yeah,
just
he might
a
get good
celebration,
start.
guys. This is in honour of Tommy. This is Tommy's round. Let's all have fun.
Good on you,
Good luck,
Tommy.
boys.
On you,
Tommy.
Tommy.
Thanks,
Tommy.
Tommy.
guys.
Tommy.
Get on you, Tommy.
Go, go.
On the left, 3 wide, clear right.
Tommy's the bang of it.
I actually got a good one going there.
The NASCAR bumping. Oh, shit.
And Tony's
On your left,
started.
clear.
Yeah, so that's understood.
Sorry, mate.
Fuck. I think P6 has binned it in. Turn 1.
Sorry, Dev. I just understood. I didn't go near you.
Sweet start, mate. Keep it coming.
You gave me the other.
Understood. Straight in.
I know.
Wasn't even on the accelerator.
I know. It's all good. Did you hear me laughing? I was just watching the temperatures go on.
Hey, Tone.
That was a pretty cool start, Wyvern.
It was good.
Mine was the opposite of a cool start.
I went from 19th to 8th.
Sector 1 is
Oh,
green.
Tony.
They're just cooked. They're gone already.
Yeah.
Yellow flag. This is great. Come on, keep nailing those exits. We think that land has gone off in the S's, P4.
Hi, Danny.
Terry, it's exactly what we thought it would be.
Yeah.
Sector 1 is yellow. We think that Mac has gone off in turn 1. Green flag in sector 3.
There's cars everywhere.
Like a Mad Max movie.
Oh, we've caught up.
Green flag sector 1.
Really shaking, really shaking everywhere.
Where's Mike? There he is.
The leader has
Right
just
on
done
target.
17.66.
Oh, you're not there, are you?
Ahead has just done a 17.46. Sector 2 is 0.9 off the pace. The guy behind has just done a 17.70.
Sorry, Oggy.
The gap to Andre behind is now 1.2 seconds.
Come on, Tony, I'm waiting for you.
Mate. Speak to my tyres. I'm waiting for him to cool down like an attack.
going, Tony?
Down the inside.
I left your room, you noticed.
Go, go, go. It's an illegal pass.
No, no, you keep going.
No, it's illegal. No, it's illegal. I've got to
No.
return it.
No, keep
Please.
going.
Please go past me or I'll be
Illegal.
He gets a penalty.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I did you a favour.
Yeah, you shouldn't have.
Now I'm going past legally.
Now,
It's tough when he's that warming up, mate.
P4.
It's like a game of chess at the moment. Who's playing who?
Trying to be a little bit careful with the tyres.
I think that's Eric has stacked it in.
I was just about to say, oh, he's getting away from me. Yeah, it's got a little bit wide. That was it.
someone's taking a shot.
My car won't.
You buggered your tyres
Okay, Tom,
already.
halfway home. We've got plenty of fuel.
No, steering's not right.
The gap ahead is now 2.7 seconds. The gap to Andre behind is now 2.9 seconds.
Front wheels are, front tyres are 23%.
Oh no.
Not that was at
That was-
119.00. The gap in front is now 2.9 seconds.
That was cool fun, Dave. Good driving, mate.
Paul has retired from the race.
I think.
You've just done a 119.04. Sector 3 is 0.29 off the pace. Yellow flag in Sector 1. It looks like Harper has gone off in Clayton corner. Sector 1 is green.
Alright, so down, time.
The gap to Andre behind is now 4.6 seconds.
Alright, Harper. Leader's coming through.
Yeah, my tyres are liquefied.
Block him, Harper, block him. Do your stuff, buddy.
No, I'm waiting for you.
Yeah.
Cheers, Mike.
Right side. Clear right.
2 laps remaining. You've just done a 120.08.
That wasn't heavy.
The gap in front is now 3.7.
Cheers, Mike.
No,
Ah, bugger.
It's the slowest I've ever seen Brandon in my life.
The car will not turn. My tyres are gone.
Yeah, I should have gone on the inside of you, not the outside. I got away with it.
How are your tyres, Ryan?
49 and 52.
Yeah.
22 and
I'm 3 and 4.
I'm still in the 70s.
I thought from 19 up to 6 at one point, so I used them.
Oh no.
JT.
Left side. Clear left.
Come on, Tom. Good stuff. Keep it coming. The gap behind's increased to 2.8. Podium finish. Nice one.
Oh, those guys are finished.
Car left. Clear left.
Oh, shit! Oh. Was that Mike? You got me, Mike.
Tim was really?
Why were you stop there?
To get you.
He did. He got Deborah though.
I think you got me, Tony.
I never touched it.
Oh, someone did.
No.
Replay says he
did, Tony. I got you. Who the hell? Sorry, man. My car got nowhere near you.
Oh, well done, Fiji. White dog, Tommy. Nice, mate.
Hey, Nathan.
Hey,
White
dog. Well done.
Me, JT.
No,
Sorry,
white
couldn't fit
dog.
then.
Tommy,
Good
well
work,
done, mate. Well done.
White dog.
Tommy, white dog.
Tommy.
Yeah, nice, lads.
Yeah, good race.
Nathan,
Fiji.
Stephen, Tommy.
Gee, that was good.
Yeah, nice.
Did you wear your tyres out on that manoeuvre?
White dog.
Yeah.
I
was down to 49
I slipped on the
front
grass.
left.
I'm like, here we go.
I was up on two wheels.
Yeah, as soon as my wheels spun on the grass, I'm like, oh, here we go. I've let him in. Freaking God.
Oh,
Yeah,
you mean,
I just couldn't hold on to it.
Well, you mean I brushed you?
How much were your
Oh,
tyres?
Jesus. Sorry, mate.
It's alright, you got me twice in that race.
I'm trying to avoid.
What was your
I
tyres,
was
White
trying
dog?
to avoid. I was
I
trying to
came in
avoid
high
mine.
I know,
Yeah.
I know.